स्टूडेंट्स ने कुछ टैबलो तैयार किया है। मौजू है बिशारत, खिदमत और गवाही, जिसके लिए मैं स्टेज पर दावत दे रही हूँ ICS H8 इस्लामाबाद के स्टूडेंट्स को, जो कि आ रहे हैं सिस्टर परवीन की क़यादत में। आप सबकी भरपूर तालियों में स्टूडेंट्स को हम वेलकम कहेंगे।
What the Lord would teach, because we are representing Him. He said, "Fear not, son, that the seed what the Lord would say if He were here." It all began with the Saint Thomas coming in the subcontinent, bringing the flame of light for us. Some believed Him and some didn't. Jesus said to the apostles, "Go into the world and preach the gospel to all the creations."
The kingdom is inside you, and it is outside you. When you come to know yourselves, then you will become known, and you will realize that it is you who are the sons of the living Father. I'm St. Thomas, and I was sent to the people of subcontinent to spread the gospel. For this is what the Lord has commanded us. I have made you a light for the Gentiles.
The living word of God says in Matthew chapter 28, verse 19, "Therefore, go and make disciples of all." The work of evangelization starts from St. Thomas, and this legacy has been carried out by the Islamabad Ravelpindy Diocese from 1947 up till now. To witness this journey, let's go back to the history of all honorable bishops who have truly served God and dedicated their lives for the development and upbringing of this diocese.
My soul rejoices in the heaven when I say you, O for celebrating this magnificent platinum jubilee of ڈایوسیس. This state of faith that has won in 1947, and I, being a humble servant of God, have served this mission with great passion and faith that this ڈایوسیس will continue to flourish.
The closure of responsibility of the diocese was passed on to me. I was filled with spirit of dedication to serve my diocese.
Now meet His Excellency Bishop Anthony Teodoro. I wish to remind all of the personal priest he was, the leader and visionary he came to be, and the bishop he died.
I have seen many dreams transforming into reality, and the ڈایوسیس Platinum Jubilee is the fruit of the mission I carried out. I am glad to watch you united in spirit to celebrating the journey I was a part of. I rejoice with you and in the world above. I am Reverend Anthony, a humble servant of the Lord. I served with simplicity and humility. However, I consider my life worth nothing to me. My only aim was to finish the race and complete the task the Lord Jesus sent me for.
Moving towards the present server of Lord Jesus, who is performing his responsibilities passionately. His Grace, Archbishop Dr. Joseph Rashid. He is the first Pakistani bishop who has served as a diplomat in many countries. He possesses the qualities of St. Thomas, which are actually the fruits of the Holy Spirit: the love, peace, patience, kindness, and gentleness.
He commanded us to praise the people and to testify that He is the one appointed by God to be the judge of the living and dead. I have a mission to spread peace and hope by uplifting our Christian youth. I'm serving this diocese with passion to make it progress in every field of life. May God help us all to continue this journey of faith.
Jesus said, "Blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you, and falsely say all kind of evil against you because of me." Though we face many challenges in Pakistan, like being persecuted and even martyred just because of being Christians, but still, We are playing our part to serve Jesus Christ and witness our faith to evangelization.
Who shall separate us from the love of Christ? Shall trouble or hardships, or persecution or famine, or nakedness, danger or sword? As it is written, for your sake we face death all day long. We are considered as sheep to be slaughtered. No, in all these things we are more than conquerors through Him who loved us.
Jesus said, I am coming soon. Hold on to what you have, so that no one will take your crown. In the same way, let your light shine before others, so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father who is in heaven.
Joy, a time of peace, a time when hearts are then set free, a time to heal the wounds of division. It's a time of grace, a time of hope, a time of sharing the gifts we have, a time to build the world that is one. It's the time to give thanks to the Father, Son, and Spirit, and with Mary, our Mother, we sing this song. Open your hearts to the Lord and begin to see the mystery, that we are all together as one family. No more walls, no more chains, no more selfishness and closed doors, for we are in the fullness of God's time. It's the time of the great Jubilee.
इन बच्चों की हौसला अफजाई के लिए भरपूर तालियां होनी चाहिए। बहुत खूबसूरती से इन्होंने ये टैब्लो परफॉर्म किया है और यकीनन इसका क्रेडिट इन बच्चों के साथ साथ इनके टीचर्स को जाता है जिन्होंने इनको इतनी अच्छी तैयारी करवाई।